Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw Chainlink from Robinhood to Metamask in 2025. If you're holding Chainlink on Robinhood and want more control over your crypto, transferring it to Metamask is a smart move. It's quick, secure, and gives you direct access to the blockchain. Before we start, make sure you have a Robinhood account with Chainlink tokens, a Metamask wallet set up on your device, and a basic understanding of crypto wallets. Let's jump right in. First, open your Robinhood app and log in. Navigate to your portfolio, select your Chainlink holdings, and look for the withdraw or transfer option. Robinhood might call it send to wallet, just tap that. Now, switch over to your Metamask app or extension. Make sure you're on the Ethereum network since Chainlink is an ERC20 token. Click on your wallet address at the top to copy it to your clipboard. This is crucial. Double-check that you have the correct address to avoid any mix-ups. Back in Robinhood, paste your Metamask wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little buffer for network fees. Review the details carefully, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so verify everything one last time. Once submitted, the transaction might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Metamask wallet for the incoming tokens. If you run into issues, like a failed transaction, check for sufficient funds for gas fees or ensure your addresses match. Pro tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to boost security. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your Chainlink. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.